Do John Griffiths, you know I'm dead because you killed me today. Do John Griffiths, you know I'm dead because you killed me today. When you make me have to go identify my granddaughter and my daughter in the morgue. Do John Griffiths, you know. Do John Griffiths, you come from Jamaica and you don't have nowhere to stay. And my daughter and his boyfriend take you in their house. Then Kara come to my yard in Miami and me take up my $100 gift to you. Because guess what? You didn't have nothing. And they brought you to their home. And you did this to them, Do John. Do John. Anybody can say anything on social media and this and that and reality. Be my guest. I am dead already. Me know I'm dead. Because you killed me today, Do John. Do John, you come to my yard. You killed me today. When you kill me Pitney and me grand Pitney, me I tell you the honest truth. You kill me today. When you kill Carla Shay and Carly. You kill me today when you did this to them. You're in their house, you have Carly on your hip every day. They play with Carly. They play with Carly. Bring Carly gas store. Me send the money, say, buy Carly ice cream. And you shoot them up like this. Just for them things. And you thought everybody was dead. But you got it wrong. Do John Griffiths know say me dead? So anything will happen. I don't care anymore. I just don't care. I am dead right now. Do John Griffiths from Gulf? Do John Griffiths? I'm the type of mother that don't play. I don't care. I'm dead already. So you can be my next guest. Kill me. Kill me.